I have made an operating system before, but in my opinion, it wasn't very good. So today I'm going to try to make a pretty good operating system. So let's get started. I must add my name to everything to make everything good. The minute you see my name, you know it's genuine. So, first thing, let's have the logo. I am going to borrow, as I like to call it, a logo from a window-like company, you know? Very good with computers, I'd say. You know, totally original. I'm just borrowing from them. I definitely got permission, you know? I would never steal anything, you know? I'm a good person. It's all original. So, now that we know it's all genuine, we already know we're done. So, we are done with the logo. So, let's go to backdrops and give it the best looking backdrop ever. I have spent absolutely no time inventing what I call a black screen. So, I don't need you. Please leave. Okay, I meant to click on paint. So now we're going to add a progress bar. And we're deciding, at least I'm deciding to make it as accurate as possible. And I'm going to make it take at least 1 entire minute to load. So everyone's happy. At least I'm happy. So goes from here, 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 to here, to here, to here, to here. So we have approximately 8. So if I can calculate correctly, the closest you can get to 100 is 12. So we need to use a calculator. And you may not see it, but I'm just gonna do a bit of math. So we have to do 12.5 seconds. So what's going to happen basically, it goes under this logo, and we're going to make it so when this starts, it starts with costume 1. Then I need you to repeat this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 times. I need you to alright. Wait 12.5 seconds according to my calculations. At least the calculator's calculations. And then go to the next costume. So yeah, I'm not gonna check. But then we're gonna go to the next backdrop. And it's going to be the login screen. And as I'm saying, I'm going to make it completely original. No inspiration from anything, and I mean it. It's not like it's from an old operating system, you know? It's impossible. It's physically impossible. You know? No way. It's all original. gonna make it a nice, beautiful day. Beautiful day. Okay. Alright then, yeah. So now we're just gonna texture it a bit, make it look good. Oh, no, apparently it can't. Well, the way it is the way it is. Oh, I made it a sprite. No wonder. Well, bye and hello. Backdrop. In fact, I'm just gonna make it better. Nothing can top. So I'm gonna just turn it to 100. Actually, 100 is the best. I mean, the largest I can do. Oh no, don't do that. Because the largest I can do is 100. Unfortunately. Which is a shame. So, alright, let's go back here. Let's make our good backdrop. Let's make it a nice, beautiful landscape. It's a sunny day. Probably cloudless. Nice, green grass in our landscape. Trees. Hopefully. I'm pretty sure that's a tree. Yeah, that's a tree. That's a tree. We get some leaves. You make it look like leaves. Actually, it look like a tree, but like. Make it look a bit uneven. And there we go. We have a tree. And add some extra realism. We group it, and we paste, and we paste. And there's 3 trees. And we're going to make each of them look different. So we're going to ungroup this over here, and make this look a bit different. That's a beautiful tree. You know? Totally natural. Totally not on steroids. We care about the environment, don't we? And there we go. Now we have a bit of difference. So we have the trees, and we're going to add the time. And we're going to make it accurate. And by that, I mean inaccurate. Very inaccurate. So we're going to make it a great font. A great color. Don't worry, I'm going to make it white. And I'm going to make it 6. Oh no, it's not 5. It's 6. There you go. 609. And it looks beautiful. Now we can make it white. So it's perfectly original. Now we're going to make a way to log in. So now we just make a button that helps us sign in. And we're going to call this the unlock button. Or, as a banker would call it, the key to your safe. Now, you don't share this to anyone. Unless you like getting robbed. And you shouldn't like being robbed, unless you don't like having money. And I'm pretty sure you like having money. And if you don't, you're weird. So, we're going to group this, size it, and since you have the best operating system, you don't even have a password. You just go straight in. And we're going to make this a great backdrop. We're gonna make it so good, you know? Everyone will like it. So we're just gonna make white and red. No, you know what? This isn't fun. Let's just make it entirely red, just to show our difference. So let's add a bit of code. I'm very tired, so I want to get this done quickly. So when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, show backdrop flag clicked, hide, and flag clicked, show backdrop switches to backdrop 2, hide, and we're just gonna kind of copy and paste this code. Didn't work. There we go. There we go. Now it should have the code. Oh, it only has one. What the heck? There we go. Oh yeah, another thing. Another thing is that, there we go, so that should work, and, oh yeah, we need to add code to this. We need to make it so when flag is clicked, you are not there, and then when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, I need you to show for me. And when backdrop switches to backdrop 3, hide. Same for this. And since I'm very tired, I am not going to bother checking this. So I am going to make a follow-up video correcting any of the mistakes that I have made, since I am a clumsy idiot. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.